What's up, everybody? I hope y'all having a great day. Today, we're going to talk about the challenges that affiliate marketers have and how to overcome them. So, let's get straight to it. The common affiliate marketing challenges, it's hard to try to get the same results as other people. There are a lot of struggles that they face in their career. Probably somewhat subjective and, depends on the person, but a lot of challenges are common for most affiliate marketers. So let's figure out how to overcome them. One common problem is small commissions. Sometimes, just when you first start out, you might get a small commission and it'll take weeks to get to you. And it's usually not because you might could be because you're going to get a check, or because they're trying to make sure that the person doesn't return the product within the guaranteed return thing. So, this is what some things that we could do to overcome these, some of these things that, to help you keep focus on affiliate marketing. One of the things is keeping yourself motivated. It's another thing to stay motivated, because at first you get the momentum, you're happy, you're ready to go, but then it actually starts to slow down. So you have to try to keep those doubts out of your mind and make sure that you push yourself every day. Another thing is that you might be lacking technical skills. When it's come to doing online business, you're going to need to know a little technical stuff. You don't have to know a lot, but you need to know at least the basics of how to maybe set up an autoresponder and set up a landing page, or build a landing page, or set up a blog. The next thing is maybe you lack the appropriate learning knowledge. So just because you want to be an affiliate marketer today doesn't mean you know everything. You're going to have to do the right research, and some things online are not, true. So you have to make sure you do your due diligence to make sure that information that you just find is true. Then another thing is receiving mediocre support. Sometimes you have to figure things out on your own because support is not responding to you, you're not responding at all, or they're responding late. So that's one of the things that have hurt people is support, which support needs to be actually good. So how do we overcome these struggles? One, when you keep yourself motivated, think about the success that you're going to have. Let the potential of that success drive you. And also, you want to don't venture too much into the unknown. Stay focused on what you already know and have the knowledge on. Another thing is to use reliable knowledge sources that have been tested by other affiliate marketers. You also want to choose a product that resonates with you, your core values and morals too. And don't try to rush things. Touch your hand at one product first and then go to the next one. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys got value. So remember, even though you might have struggles in affiliate marketing, there's always ways to overcome them. You could get a mentor, you can get a coach. You will make sure that you self-motivate yourself, get the right knowledge online, and use market with other affiliate marketers so you can find out what they're doing, and you can do the same thing too, so then you're not feeling as left behind. So if that's all you guys I got today, you guys have a great day. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Don't forget to hit it so all my videos come out. You guys have a great day.